Here we are, Space Internet Solutions over in Oldham this afternoon, installing a Starlink for a customer. This customer was previously on Sky Broadband, however was only receiving speeds of about 20 Mbps on a good day. I've showed up, I've installed an 18 by 12 galvanised bracket with some nice wood screws and washers, solid. Put it on a little stumpy mast just to get over that roof line. Installed our own pole adapter. There's the cable, a bit too short, the one that Starlink provides. Wired up a full copper Cat6 cable along, down behind that downspout, round, all the way round to his office just over there. The customer's now receiving speeds of over 200 megabytes per second. This is Aaron for Space Internet Solutions.